The internet keeps telling you wrist size is 100% genetics. But what if I told you you can actually grow your wrist, even beyond genetics? And no, I'm not talking about forearm size. I'm talking about actual wrist growth. For most people, wrists never grow, simply because they never target wrists directly. But if you train your wrists directly the right way, especially before your growth plates fully close, you can make them grow even beyond what people call genetics. And to make that happen, I'm about to reveal you the 3 key exercises that can actually add up extra 2 centimeters to your wrist. Rice bucket training is one of the most underrated yet powerful ways to build thicker wrists. You push your hands deep into a bucket filled with rice and move in every direction. Rice bucket training works because rice gives 360 degrees resistance. Your muscles, tendons, ligaments, and even the small stabilizers that never get trained in normal workouts are forced to adapt, which is needed for wrist density. Now it's time to talk about false grip hangs, an exercise only gymnasts and calisthenics athletes truly know about. In a false grip, your palm sits over the bar, forcing your wrist into extreme flexion while your entire body weight pulls straight down. At first, it won't feel strong, it'll feel awkward, uncomfortable, and that's completely normal. This exercise doesn't just make your wrist look strong, it builds real wrist strength from the inside out. No one talks about pronation exercises because only arm wrestlers truly understand them. Pronation is the hidden movement that builds deep, structural wrist strength while everyone else is busy doing curls. Arm wrestlers are training the rotational power of the wrist, and that's exactly why their wrists don't just look big. They look solid.